How many of you visited mall for shopping or maybe for other purposes? Okay, so you might have seen escalators, right? You might have used also, okay, for going up and coming down. Okay, same escalators at railway stations for going up and down. And you might have also observed uh, aeroplane taking off and landing, right? Okay, so in these two cases what exactly happening is we are moving from bottom to top or from top to bottom. Okay, now when you observe the given image which is being displayed on the screen, okay, so you will find that the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4, they are arranged in two different ways. Okay, one from smaller to bigger and the other from bigger to smaller. Okay, so why are we doing this? Okay, so in the first case, when the numbers are arranged from smaller to bigger, we relate this to mathematics concept and we name it as ascending order. Okay, and from the numbers which are arranged from bigger to smaller, okay, we name this concept in mathematics as descending order. Okay, so we have two ways of arranging the numbers. Okay, one from smaller to bigger and the other from bigger to smaller. Okay, so and the concepts are ascending and descending order. So when we talk about actually climbing up the stairs, we say we are ascending the stairs. Okay, that is we are going from smaller to bigger. Okay, and when we talk about climbing down the stairs, we say we are descending the stairs, that is coming down from top to bottom. Define ascending and descending order. To better understand the concept, we have certain examples. Okay, let us solve and find out the answers. So here in each section we have 4 questions, 4 examples. Okay, now in the first one, if you see, okay, we have 4 numbers given and we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay, so the easiest way is to first find out whether the numbers are single digit, 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit and so on. Okay, so now when we look at these numbers, we find out that the last one, which is 28, okay, is a 2 digit number. Rest 3 are 4 digit numbers. Okay, so we can say that 28 will be arranged in the order first. Okay, now when we talk about these three, okay, so we find that these two digits, see 28, 28, 28 is same in all the three. Now we need to compare the next one, that is 11, 10 and 0. So out of these three, which one is the smallest one? That is 0, 0. So we number this as second. Okay, the next one is 10. So we number this as third. And next one is 11. So we number this as fourth. Okay, so the order of arranging the numbers is actually first 28, then 2800, then 2810, then 2811. Okay, now in the second one, how do we do that? We find that all these numbers are 4 digit numbers. Okay, so let's compare the digits now. So here we have 12, 12, 12, 12. Okay, so what do? Is we forget about 12. We compare the next digits. Okay, so here we have 7, 5. Here we have 5, 8. Here we have 7, 6. And here we have 6, 2. So now out of these three, okay, we see that 5, 8, which is 58, is smallest. So we number this as 1. Then next smallest is 62. So we number this as 2. And next is 75 and then 76. So we number this as 3 and then we number this as 4. Okay, so the numbers will be arranged in this order: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly, this one, if we talk about, okay, we see that this is a 3 digit number, then 4 digit, 4 digit and then 2 digit number. So easiest way is we number this as 1, since it's a 2 digit number, so obviously smallest of all. Then next one is 2, this is a 3 digit number, then these two are 4-digit number. So when we see here we have 4 and here we have 7. So obviously 7,000 is more than 4,000, right? So 4,000 will be numbering this as 3 and we will number this as 4. Okay, similarly the last one, okay, in ascending order we have a 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number and then 3-digit number. So easiest we will be naming this as, numbering this as 1. Okay, now out of these three, if we compare this digit, okay, we see at one place we have 4, then we have 3 and then we have 1. Okay. So 1 is smallest, so we'll number this as 2, then next is 3 and then next is 4. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next case we have is descending order. Okay, so in descending order, first one we if we compare the numbers, we have 3-digit number, 3-digit number, 3-digit number and a 2-digit number. Okay, so this now in descending order, how are we going to arrange the numbers? We are going to arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller. Okay, bigger to smaller. In ascending order, what did we do? We arranged from smaller to bigger. Okay, so now from bigger to smaller. So how do we arrange this? So now one thing you know, that these three are 3-digit numbers and this one is 2-digit number. So obviously this is the last one in the list. Okay, so we have this as number 4. Easy. Okay, now in these three, what do we do is, if we compare, we have this digit as 9, this digit as 9 and this digit as 2. Okay, so obviously 9 greater than 2. Okay, so we number this as 3. Okay, now in these two, okay, 9 is same, we compare the next digit. So 1 that is also same, so we compare the next digit. So 3 2. Oh, so 3 is greater than 2. So what do? Is we number 3 as 1 and 2 as, so we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, so actually the question itself, the numbers are arranged in descending order. Okay, now in the second question we have 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number, 4-digit number. Oh, we have all 4-digit numbers. Okay, so how do we compare? We will be comparing from left side the digits. Okay, so we have 6, we have 6, we have 7, we have 7. Okay, what are we doing? We are going from bigger to smaller. Okay, so we'll focus on 7 first. Okay, now we compare the next digit in these two numbers. Okay, so we have next digit as 6, we have 7. Okay, so 7 is bigger, so we'll be numbering this as 1. Okay, and then 6 as 2. Now we compare the next two numbers. So how do we do that? We compared first digit already. Now we are going to compare the next two digits. Okay, so the next digit is 7 and here we have 6. So obviously 7 is bigger. So I'm going to number that as the next number after this, which is 3, and this as 4. Okay, now the third example, we have 4-digit number, 3-digit number, 15 is 2-digit number and then a 5-digit number. Oh, so obviously 5-digit number is biggest of all, then 4-digit number, then 3-digit number and then 2-digit number. So this was actually easiest of all. Okay, now fourth one, what do we have is, we have 4-digit number, we have 3-digit number, 3 and 4-digit number. So obviously 4-digit numbers will be greater. So now out of these two digits we need to find out which one is the greater one. Okay, so we have 7 6, 7 6, we have 3 9, we have 3 1. Okay, so 3 9 will be greater, right? So we number this as 1, we number this as 2. Okay, Now we have 831 and 761. So obviously, if we compare the first digit from left side, we have 8 and here we have 7. So 8 will be bigger. So numbering this as 3 and this as 4. Okay. So now here we have our answer written.